Yo, what is going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a good day today. And today we are talking about this free editing software that you can download. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. And so, yeah, if you want to download this, try it out, do all that good stuff, have fun, learn, master it, do all that magic that editing people do, you know? You can do that yourself. But right now, I'm going to show you how it kind of works. Just a little basic tour of it, how you can make a free Twitch trailer for your channel. I know that's new. A lot of people want to do that. A lot of people want to learn how to spice it up. Well, this is a very good way to do it without paying a penny. So, here we go. I'm going to show you what it's like once you get in there. You're going to first, before you get into a project, you're going to show a simple screen. Going to say open project or untitled project. It's going to have one made for you already. All you got to do is click open. It's going to be blank. Everything's going to be blank and ready to go. So you want to go to the media tab. Make sure you're on that. You're going to go over here to wherever your clips are. I got mine ready to go in a folder. Which trailer clips. That's what we're working with here. And let's see. Say you want to just use one. You're going to hold it. Click it, hold it, drag it, boom, drop. It's going to ask you, the clips have a different frame rate than the current project. Do you want to hit change so everything matches up? Alright, so there we go. We got that video right there. Now what happens? How do we get it into our timeline? How do we edit it? How do we do the cool special magic to it, You're going to go to this cut tab. This is not where the magic happens. You can do a little magic, but not much. You're not going to be a master. You're just going to be an apprentice. That's all. So you're going to bring it down here. It's going to go right to your red little marker. Boom, bada bing. There you go. This is my clip. I just drug it down. That's the one I chose. Now let's play it real quick and see. Yo, I'm a toy with... Oh, no. Alright, there you go. See, yeah, I'm a toilet. Yes, I am. But that's just a little sneak peek of some of the fun things that go on in the Twitch channel. If you want to, there will be a link down in the description below to go ahead and go follow me, or just wait till I go live and decide whether or not you want to follow me. That's up to you. We just have a lot of fun. We're going to do plenty of cool things, very many fun ideas coming up. So yeah, go check that out. And so once you got that in the cut, yes, you do that. You can make a split, wherever you are. It's going to do it wherever your marker is. So split, it's going to put a split right there. You can do that here. Click on it like that. Most sides are highlighted. Backspace deletes the split. But just a better way to do it, go to the edit tab. You have this little blade symbol. It's a razor blade. Wherever you are at, you can start that. If you want it to snap onto a certain spot, find that spot, and the red part will instantly snap. See, it's not, see, it just snaps on to your red marker. So that's another easy way to do it. And so, yeah, you can work your magic like that. You got transitions. If you want to just throw a simple transition on your, like one of these splits like this, or a connection between two clips, you'll click on either this side or this side between two clips. You're going to hit both sides, hit Control T. Control transition. Boom. Now, yo, I'm a toy with... It's not going to really do it because it's all one clip. It's not transitioning into anything. If I were to add another clip to that, would add it. And you can click on it, hit backspace, boom, deletes everything like that. Backspace is your delete. You can hit delete as well. However you prefer. Fusion, I don't really worry about this tab much. I'm still an apprentice, not the best yet. Getting there. You got your colors. You can change your colors, your hue. You can make it black and white if you want to. Your Fairlights, your audio. This one I do mess with a lot. Audio is very important, so make sure nothing is going over that little, in that red. You want it to stay in the yellow and green, which is somewhere right here. Make sure that's good. And then your deliver tab is where you're going to deliver it. So that is as that. You can go ahead and do a little YouTube one. That's normally a good way to go, or you can customize it. You can get all into the nitty gritty, do it however you want, frame that. You know the dealio. If you don't, there will be more clips and YouTube videos on how to do all that fun stuff. And so once you got all of that, I will meet you there and see what the finished product looks like. Here we go. Alright, we are back. It took a few minutes for me, but for you, that was probably only a split second, and boom, I was done. But forget about all that. This is what I have here. Yes, I got my transitions in there. I got different clips here and there on different tracks. You can add a track by going here, right-clicking, just hit add track. Stereo for that, mono for your movie. Let's see, what else do you want? I don't want to do that. No, I don't. And so get all that in there. I got 2 different audio tracks here. One for my voiceover, which you can also do in DaVinci Resolve. You don't have to use a different recording software or anything like that. You can automatically just record. You'll go to your Fairlight right here, and you got your record button right there. You want to make sure you're on an empty spot, and it's going to record on that track, whichever track you have selected. So you will want to make a new track and then select it and go up here, hit record, and start talking, and stop it whenever you're done talking, and it'll have it done. Instant audio record, boom, bada bing. All right, so you got this right here, all this. We'll have a little preview of it. We'll have a preview, and of course, this is it. More voiceovers, my background music here, and my clips. Boom, boom, got it all done. So let's take a little preview of what is possible with DaVinci Resolve free editing software to make a Twitch trailer.
In a world where one streamer who believed in the one and only,
Holy crap, Jeepers Gaga!
where all the boys and girls would hear him scream.
Hey. Oh, shoopakabo! What was that? Holy crap! I just got the living scared out of me. Oh, ran into the tree. Oh no, you can't get me. Whoop.
That man with one key name is AA Legacy.
Yo, I'm a toy with. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Legacy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, come join the fun and listen to what these guys had to say about this.
Dude,
Nice.
what the f was that? How the
Killing
fuck did
it.
you just do that, my man?
OG style right there, my guys.
Woo! There we go. Twitch trailer, amazed, right? Right? Cinematic style, dramatic, all this, that, pow pow, you know, the sound effects. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So let me know down in the comments what you guys thought about that. And if this video was helpful to you in any way, if you didn't know about this yet, I hope this helped for sure, because yes, you can do all kinds of cool stuff in this. It's very fun, very easy to use. I mean, I picked it up in maybe a week or 2, and I started doing really nice things. Plenty of time put into it, learning things. It's still a little confusing here and there, but I just search the web, find answers I need to know, and figure out how to do cooler stuff to make people wow, you know? So, yeah, leave a like in the video if you thought it was good, if you found it informational in any way. Go head over to my Twitch channel. We'll be streaming Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Sundays I'll be streaming 7:30 p.m. Eastern, and the rest of the days I will be streaming 9:30 p.m. Eastern. So come check us out. Come have some fun with us. Talk to people, meet people in chat, help grow the community, and have a good old time overall, you know? That's what we're here for. I want to meet new friends. I would love some people to play games with. I play with my viewers, my followers, subscribers, you name it, anything. We're just here to have fun and be creative in any way possible. So go ahead and do that. And I will see you all when I go live or in the next video. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.